started this program in 2016, 2017. We started with 1,600 participants. And every year we improve the numbers of persons involved in the YSEP program. This year, we took a bold decision. And for the first time, the YSEP program will be catering for 10,000 young people right across Jamaica. This is our first. The success of the program is there to be seen. More than 500 participants over the years have found gainful employment through various municipal corporations across the country. I want to urge you to treat this program in the same way that you treat your future. You are building on a foundation that has been created by a government led by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who has placed great emphasis on building, providing the kind of leadership for young people across the country. I urge you to make us proud of you this year.
Ready! 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 There is so many times when never. My Savior, hear my plea. I can't hear you. When you push me.
I feel very proud to share my experience with the Youth Summer Employment Program, YSEP. This program has really been a turning point in my life, and I know it can do the same for you. I learned important people skills that I had never been taught at school. Because of YSEP, I came out of my shell, communicated more, and became far more confident.
So as youngsters going into summer employment, I want you to take this bit of advice. Whatever you are tasked to do it to the best of your ability, do it well. And that will become the stepping stone for you to achieve the things that you actually want to do in life. The ethic of work is something that the younger generation, you coming up, must absorb, internalize, and make it become a part of who you are. So we are doing a fantastic job in ensuring that you get the work experience that will eventually form the basis on which you will become permanent members of the Jamaica labor force.
Youths, this is your time to shine. Rise to the occasion, because this is a chance for you to step up and show the world what you are made of. By participating in this program, you are not only investing in your personal growth, but also contributing to the strength and prosperity of our nation.
To you, my colleagues, I say learn everything you can, support each other, and enjoy the Youth Summer Employment Program. I can promise you that you will never forget this experience. Big up YSEP, thank you.